The balls work pretty good. That'll do it.
Electricity is amazing, is it not? Oh, memory stick's full.
That's fine. We'll just get rid of that one. I'm getting this one in HD. That is really bright.
Since the camera dims itself, you may not actually realize how bright this is. It's like lighting up the whole side of the house and the garage. Like bright colors.
Look how you see the shadow of the balls from the flame. That's like magnesium bright. And that is not magnesium.
That is aluminium.
Plus electricity.
Plus electricity, yeah. Lots of it.
Thomas Edison must be rolling in his grave.
Like two balls.
That's just a bright light now. It's not even doing anything but creating an enormous amount of light. Oh, there we go. Ooh, stinky. You got 248 left.
That is really stinky. Oh my god. That's probably... It smells like burnt Cheerios.
It smells like burning microwave.
I think burnt Cheerios. Like, think Cheerios, but burning. Open up a box of Cheerios that your little brother has and smell it. Well, we seem to have killed our rotating table.
Oh, nice.
If not, we killed the whole radio assembly in there. Because it's starting to dim down. So we may have actually killed the whole microwave, but it still thinks it's doing something.
It's, the clock's still ticking, the fan's still running, the light's still on. The light show seems to have stopped. And the turntable is definitely stopped.
And the previously bright little bit of metal is now dimming. So,
but it hasn't completely gone out, so there may still be some energy in there.
GE still has the toughest microwave. It still thinks it's on.
Yeah. Like, it might die, but it'll at least give you the illusion of cooking.
My throat is slightly sore. This is bad.
Huh. It's getting brighter. It's still got microwaves. It just doesn't have a turntable.
Oh wow.
That's impressive. We killed the turntable, but the microwave is still going.
I wonder how he killed the turntable. Maybe it just got too hot and melted the
it could be.
boulder.
It could actually be like some kind of catch, and it's not even broken. It's just intentionally turned itself off. All I know is we have 51 seconds of experimenting left. And one bright light.
Just wait for it to go beep and explode.
Yeah.
The little buzzer will disrupt it. It'll go push. Or beep or whatever.
Beep, 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 bitch.
Or wait for it to start counting backwards.
It's getting brighter.
And smellier.
Oh, definitely
now
smellier.
It smells like,
I'm trying not to like inhale.
Yeah. pretty bad.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see how long the glow lasts.
Once you get another smell-o-vision kind of thing, think a whole box of sparklers. I'm not talking a little box. I mean the whole big box of little boxes of sparklers, all on.
Still glowing.
Is kind of what it smells like, mixed with Cheerios. Whole thing of sparklers with Cheerios roasting on top.
It is still glowing. Oh, look, it's not even it's the, like, underside of the plate that's glowing.
Maybe that's...
You have the gloves?
Yeah.
Knock the balls out of the way while it's still glowing.
That might be where the table is spinning. That might have gotten so hot where the table is spinning from all the,
Let's see.
Stuff.
You want to remove the glass?
No, but I'll do it anyway. Oh!
Hot?
No. I just touched it and shit flew in my eyes. That's very painful, like chemical painful.
Oh, it popped.
No, you know what we did?
What?
The table, the glass sunk. We melted the glass. It's cooling. we melted the glass. The little motor in there is still turning. The glass.
Dude, that's crazy.
The glass is melted.
Oh, this is nuts.
Oh, and very bad.
Okay, GE makes one tough microwave.
Like, don't breathe
That's
this.
the moral of the story.
Don't breathe this is an understatement.
Yeah.
Like,
wow.
Like, we should be wearing respirators.
Yeah.
This is actually probably that bad.
And on that lovely note, let's conclude our experiments. That was fun.